Hi guys, thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how I typically do a pot hanger. There's so many different ways of making a pot hanger. There's loads of different designs and techniques that you can do it. So I'm just going to be showing one of them. So the technique I'm doing is pretty popular and it's a really efficient way of doing a pot hanger. I've got my hazel with me here. I cut it at a 45-degree angle because it's good for the tree to grow back. It grows back at a quicker rate. So when looking for my piece of wood, I wanted something with a V in it so I can hang my kettle off. So that's perfect. And along here, the inside, I'm going to put my notches. So now I'm going to start with the notches. I'm going to put it on the inside where my pot's going to be hanging. So you can do this with a saw and a knife or just a knife on its own, it's up to you. I'm going to do it with a saw because I'm going to do quite a few. And by having them at all different heights, you can have varied heat when it's on the fire. So if you wanted to simmer your food or your water, or if you wanted a quick boiling heat, you'd have it lower or higher off the flames. I'm going to make a V with my saw. You can do this with a knife if you want to. So you just want to make a little groove in the wood so you can follow the outline. So I just want to work up with my knife towards the point. So I'm on to my second notch. So I've just done the two steep lines to make a V, just like my other one over there. So I've finished my notches. I only put 3 in the end because they're a nice gap between each other. Like I said, you can get varied heat off the fire. So I'm just going to flatten this piece of wood off and then make a groove so my notches can fit into it. So I've got that into the ground now, and with my different settings I can alter how high or low I have my pot from the fire. enjoyed this video. This is just one demonstration of a technique of a pot hanger. I hope you go out and try your own technique, or maybe this one. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all my patrons and my subscribers. Take care.